Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is Praneeth Talks. So in this video I'm going to show my terrace tour, and one more thing, I'll just show you what will I do in my terrace. But every day at 5 PM I'll come to my terrace. I'll enjoy the scenic beauty. It's there. I'll just show you. So let's go guys. Yeah.
Colors all around, but I don't see anything but blue. Get lost in the sound, go back to the start. Let's go out of the dark. Let's go out of the dark. Into the light now.
I hope you guys can see me. So every day 5 PM and morning 7 PM I'll come to my terrace. I will just water my plants. Just show you my plants. Yeah guys, so this one is tulsi plant with cactus plant, and that is tulsi plant. And this is dal plant. I don't know, in Telugu they'll say menti pappu, and that is spinach, and there's no plant inside because it dried. And those two are gongura plant, in Telugu they'll say. I hope you guys can understand. And this is also a tulsi plant, and there if you come, that is a mint plant, and this is also a dal plant only, menti pappu plant, and that's also menti pappu, and that is also menti pappu plant. So these many plants I'm having. Even down also I'm having flower plants, but in next upcoming videos I will show you. Yeah friends, so this is my terrace tour. And this is the scenic beauty. And that's the lift room. And one more thing guys, they're saying like corona is a airborne disease, so please wear masks. A big request from Praneeth Talks and team also. So this is the video for today. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye guys.